Hey guys, it's Ben once again with Cersei Heat and Air. This week on Tech Tips, we're talking a little bit more about preventative maintenance. So you're going to get to meet another one of our technicians, Jacob Kidd. So without further ado, here's Jacob.
All right, so what we've got here is our old slab coil. The way this thing was installed, the plenum and the furnace was attached to this directly, and these are very inaccessible. This slab coil here doesn't seem to be ever cleaned. It looks like it's never been maintained properly. As you can tell from this side, the air flowing this direction, it has got a lot of this debris and buildup, and that is causing very bad airflow. This is the pass-through side of the coil. This is what it should look like. After a preventive maintenance, this is what it would look like. That's proper airflow. It will drain correctly. We highly suggest preventive maintenances. This is going to cause this system to run improper. It's going to cause bad airflow. It's going to cause refrigerant issues. Preventive maintenances.
That's Tech Tips for the week. We thank you so much for watching. You can always catch us on Facebook and Instagram. Give us a shout for anything you need at 501-827-1995. And just keep in mind, it's 1 week away from the fair, so come and see us. See if you can win some of those big-time prizes. We'll see you there.
Everything reminds me of you, but everything